In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in HubSpot. This simple yet crucial task helps keep your CRM organized and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks during your sales process. So let's dive in and walk through each step together. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. You'll find the login option conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. If you have a Google account, logging in is a breeze. Simply select Sign in with Google and choose your account from the list. This seamless integration saves time and effort, ensuring you're ready to get started in no time. Now, once you're inside the HubSpot dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll see an option labeled CRM. Click on it, and within moments, you'll find yourself in the CRM section of HubSpot, where all your contact information is stored. The next step is to click on Content. Contacts. This brings you to a list of everyone you interact with. Here, the HubSpot interface makes it easy to manage your relationships in one centralized location. Look through the list and locate the specific contact for the phone call you want to log. After you've selected your contact, you should notice a menu along the left side of the screen. From here, find and click on the More option. This reveals additional features and tools you might find useful. Among these, there is an option called Log a Call. Click on that, and HubSpot will present you with an interface where you can detail the call you've just made. This is where your notes come into play. It's crucial to type in all relevant details about the phone call, from the key points discussed to any follow-up actions that may be required. Try to be as thorough as possible, because comprehensive notes will be invaluable the next time you interact with this contact or when sharing information with team members. Once you've entered all the pertinent information, it's time to finalize the process. Locate the Log Call button towards the bottom of the interface. With one click, the details are securely stored in HubSpot, ensuring that your call record is up to date and accessible when needed. And there you have it. Logging a phone call in HubSpot is a straightforward task, but one that plays a vital role in maintaining effective communication and organizational efficiency. Remember, diligent record keeping not only helps in tracking engagements, but also strengthens client relations by showing that you care about every conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on making the most out of your digital tools.